Okay, we're going to download some software called WinSCP. It's some software that will allow you to transfer files between a Windows box and a Linux box. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to open a web browser. And then we'll type in WinSCP. Hit enter. And we want to go to this website, winscp.net. Okay, and we're going to click on download now, and you want to get past this there's like this advertisement type stuff on here. You want to ignore that, and you'll see a little green box here that says download WinSCP. That's what you want to click on, and then wait a second or two here, and then WinSCP will download to your machine. I'm going to go ahead and close my browser, and I'm going to come down and do a right click on my little start flag and go to File Explorer, and I'm going to go to Downloads, and here you can see a file called WinSCP setup.exe. I'm going to double click on that. And I'm going to click Install for all users. And yep, I want to allow this to be installed. Okay, I'm going to accept the license. I'm going to do the typical installation. I'm going to just accept the default here, the Commander window. And this tells me some information about how it's going to install it, so I'll just hit install. And I'll go ahead and, if you're feeling generous, you can make a contribution to this open source software. I'm just going to go ahead and click finish for this demo. And here it thanks us for installing it. I'm going to close the browser window, and you can see it put a little icon here on the desktop for us, and you can also get to the WinSCP by going to the Start menu, and this is Windows 11 now. I'm clicking on All Apps, and if I scroll on down to the W's, you can see the WinSCP program is also in the Start apps. Okay, so that's all that this particular video is doing, showing how to install WinSCP. And hope this was helpful. Thanks for listening.